Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a truly timeless product. Murray Lanman's Florida Water, an iconic aftershave cologne with a fresh and clean fragrance. Whether you're new to this product or a longtime fan, this review is for you. First, let's cover the basics. Murray Lanman's Florida Water has been around since the 1800s and continues to be cherished by many for its versatility and nostalgic appeal. Packaged in 7.5 FL Oz bottles, this cologne offers a bright floral scent that's suitable for both men and women. It doesn't just smell great. Its unique formula also works as an astringent, helping to clean pores, tone your skin, and soothe abrasions after shaving. But that's not all. You can use it as a refreshing body splash, a gentle fabric refresher, or even as a post-exercise massage tonic for an invigorating feel. Now let me share my experience with Florida Water. Using this cologne before shaving genuinely helped soften my skin, making it easier to get a closer shave. The scent, while floral, also has a subtle hint of spice, making it refreshing without being overpowering. It leaves the skin feeling cool and revitalized, especially in warm weather. However, one thing I noticed, this might be a downside for some, is that the scent, though lovely, doesn't linger very long, especially if you're used to heavier colognes. As for performance, this cologne does exactly what it promises. Its mild, astringent qualities help tighten the skin and soothe any nicks or irritation caused by shaving. I also tried it as an all-over body splash after a workout, and I have to say, it left me feeling recharged and fresh. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, it's incredibly versatile, an aftershave, a body splash, and even a fabric refresher. It's light, clean, and affordable, making it accessible to many. However, the plastic packaging might be a deal breaker for some. Years ago, Florida Water came in glass bottles, which added a touch of elegance. While the plastic is more practical, the change takes away from its vintage charm. Another potential downside, the fragrance may not last as long as more modern colognes. So if you prefer something with staying power, this might not be the perfect fit. Compared to other aftershaves on the market, Florida Water is certainly a standout for its price, far more affordable than many high-end brands. Its natural, floral spice scent distinguishes it from the citrus-dominant colognes you might find in similar products like 4711 or Bay Rum. Yet, if you're someone who wants a longer-lasting or more intense fragrance, you may want to explore alternatives like Old Spice or Aqua Velva, which offer different profiles. In terms of value, it's hard to beat. At around $5 per bottle, this cologne offers great bang for your buck. The quality of the product, despite the packaging, remains top-notch, and its multi-purpose use adds tremendous value. Now, if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated on all the latest product reviews here on Beautyistic. In terms of build quality, the plastic bottle might not scream luxury, but the formula inside more than makes up for it. Durability isn't really a concern since you're unlikely to drop it. The classic floral and spice aroma is unforgettable, but keep in mind that personal preferences in scent vary widely. I haven't personally had any issues with customer support, but reviews online indicate that the brand has maintained a solid reputation over the years, with no major complaints about the service. So here's the final verdict. Murray Lanman's Florida Water is perfect for those who appreciate a fresh, clean scent with a touch of tradition. It's affordable, versatile, and a great option for both men and women. If you're looking for something with more fragrance longevity or a more luxurious feel, you might want to explore other options. But for the price and sheer versatility, Florida Water truly shines. Who would benefit most from this product? Definitely someone who loves subtle, classic scents and appreciates the history behind an iconic brand. It's great for daily use, especially in warmer climates, and works for all genders. Before we wrap up, I'd like to thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments. And if you've used Florida Water before, I'd love to know your experience. Until next time.